Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to generate images and prompts from your Copilot AI tool on your mobile phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Copilot. After open up your Copilot, so it takes you to the home page right here. If you don't know how to craft a prompt based on the image you are looking for, you can ask Copilot right here. You can say, can you please give me top 5 simple prompts to generate images of, let's say, images of lion in the garden with a beautiful woman. Then send. Let's see the prompt. Here we go. A majestic lion resting beside a beautiful woman in a lush flower garden. So you have 5 different prompts right here. Now, we can use any of the prompts right here and use it to generate image from Copilot right here. How do we do that? Go ahead and click on Hold Down. Then you have variety options right there. Go ahead and click on Select. Now, copy any of the prompts right here. I will go ahead and use the second prompt right here. I will make sure I highlight and copy. Once I copy, then I will use the prompt to generate my image. So for you to generate an image, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Then go ahead and click on Generate Image. Here you go. You can see image. Paste your prompt. So once you paste your prompt, go ahead and hit on Send. Now you have your image right here. I say, here it is, your image of graceful woman in glowing with dress, walking with lion. So you can see it right there. For you to download this image, simply click on here and go ahead and download the image. And the image has been successfully saved to your phone. So you can go on and copy another prompt right here. Click on Hold Down, click on Select. Then I'm going to copy another prompt right here. I will highlight. Then I'll make sure I copy this prompt here also. The last prompt, copy. Then I'll close here and I'll click on this plus sign again. Generate image. Then I'll simply click on Hold Down, select all. Then I'll paste my prompt right here. I will hit on Send. So here we go. We have the image right here. So for us to download the image, so you can see it right here. For us to download the image, we can click on here and go ahead and download the image from our Copilot, just like so. It's that simple. So this is how to generate free images in your Copilot. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.